Well, how could you have beaten last weekend's weather? It was definitely an A+1. Unfortunately, we're not going to be quite that warm this weekend. 13 WEATHERBALL is green, no change to the now cooler weather pattern foreseen, and this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Forecast a high of 58 today. It made it 61 just within our 3 degrees, and that is 6 days in a row. Other than that, we have unseasonably cool weather now for the next 10 days after being warmer than average. The highs will be generally in the 50s. There'll be some highs in the 40s a couple of days with overnight lows in the 30s. So there is going to be a daily threat of frost. I think that will start Wednesday morning and maybe even a possible freeze Friday through Sunday morning. So even though you have tempted to go out and plant those annuals, you're going to have to cover them up or at least bring in the house plants if you set them out. Other than that, the positive news, there's going to be little to no impact precipitation until at least May 12th or the 13th or the 14th. That's about 10 days from now. Frost and freeze forecast, these are the predicted overnight lows. We're going to get down to 38 in the morning here on a Tuesday morning. That's tomorrow morning and Wednesday morning. Maybe 36 on Thursday morning. Possibly down as cold as 32 Friday morning and 28 on Saturday morning before overnight lows will be in the low 30s both Mother's Day morning and Monday morning. Average lows are much warmer than that. Warm today, we're up to 61. We're back down to 58. Lakeshore area is a little bit cooler, but all the way around, we're anywhere between about 8 and 15 to 20 degrees cooler than this time yesterday, and as cool as 33 degrees colder over in Milwaukee. Upper level winds, that's what drives the weather patterns, not coming from the southwest anytime soon. You can see those winds coming right out of Canada, and they'll continue to be that way for the next several days. We won't see warm temperatures probably not even until at least after the 15th of the month. At least when they come in off the Pacific Ocean, it's a little bit less cold. That means temperatures get back up to maybe 60s, but not looking for any 70s anytime soon. One storm system passing to our south, the other one's going to catch up to it, and it's going to keep all of that precipitation to our south. Just mainly cloudy skies expected overnight tonight through the morning hours, so no threat of frost here in most areas overnight. And even next couple of days, we'll see these clouds thin on out after tomorrow. Tomorrow will be a rather cloudy day. The clouds start to thin out overnight tomorrow night. That's when we get our temperatures down into the upper 30s, and then we'll see a mixture of some partly sunny skies during the day on Wednesday. Again, high temperatures only in the mid-50s, just as warm at the lakeshore here tomorrow. We'll be in the mid-50s again on Wednesday and mid-50s on Thursday. Long range outlook, high probability that will stay cold right on through the 29th of the month with equal chances for precipitation. Forecast then for tomorrow, cloudy skies, mid-50s for your highs. Up north, very similar conditions, cloudy skies, mid-50s, and from Grand Rapids southward, we'll see those readings into the low and mid-50s. 13 on your side forecast. Couple of days with highs in the 40s, breezy conditions as well Friday and Saturday. After Mother's Day, we still see temperatures cooler than average with a chance of showers, especially next Wednesday night and Thursday.